Good morning. Radiator went out. Before you start taking the radiator, make sure you measure this from here. Is they the pores. I bought a few tenths to make sure I cover the engine just in case. I put since the aftermarket weighs 280 pounds, the original one's 400. That one you definitely need the crane of two people. Last time I did it with a crane. I believe it's a lot easier to take the hood out and then you take everything apart and then lift this with two people or one person. But make sure you get this measurement. You won't believe a cheap prevent, it could have helped all this to happen. So you see this mesh right here, this mesh net, it's thin. This is good deal and it's strong. It can hold a rock. So what happened, the one in the bottom is a little bit wider. Let's see if I can put it. Since it's a little bit wider, one of the rocks came in there. You see the little rock? And those are the one that chips the windshield. It hit one of those tubes. It's not bad, but it's leaking. Once it gets pressure, it's gonna start pumping the coolant, but not enough to make it out the road. I already ordered one from Fleet Pride. I'll put the part number. It's X51012, and it's 3 inches in the bottom, 2.5 in the top. What happened is I'm gonna upgrade the mesh from here, as you can see, from the inside all the way down here to the bottom, the thin one. That's gonna be the next thing I'll do to all my trucks, because this small little rock is gonna cost me $2,500, and that's me doing the labor work. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. So the idea is to get the bumper out, because I already did it before. I put the grain on top. It's a lot of work, and right here we're doing it out the road in a parking lot. A few weeks before Thanksgiving, a week before, so we're gonna get this going. And I have a load on me. Spoke to the broker, he's chill, had to cancel the other load. This just happened. So I hope this doesn't happen to you. And this is part one. So I finished the video before time, but the idea is to get all the plugs out. I gotta get the one from Amazon. It's really hard to get the 12 gauge ones. And cut all this and see how we can work to disconnect the wire without cutting it much. Some of them really got corroded, so I had to like link them. And I highly advise to record everything you do, especially with harness, so you know where they go when you have to put things back. All right, so you already know that happened. So this is the first video. So we're gonna clean everything out, get the bolt off, put 2 spare tires in there, because once you put this tire, you take this off and this thing goes all the way down. Once it's completely volt, we're gonna reverse the truck. That's the whole reason I haven't worked on this, so I can turn it on, reverse it, have enough space, and everything will come out a lot easier. All right, good luck.